Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Euro Piccolo espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to remove all these things that you see right here from the machine. All these are the worn out gaskets from the machine. Some of them were really hard to remove. Some of them broke when we removed them. You can kind of see it right, yeah, there you go. It barely kind of, it's just hardened rubber at this point. It's not even a gasket anymore. So we remove all of those, deep clean everything from the group head, deep clean everything from the steamer one as well as the steamer itself, and as well on the side glass. We replace the O-ring from the gasket, the gasket from the shower screen, and then we just deep clean everything. So yeah, that's what we did on this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I picked the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see with coffee or coffee really dripping. These machines require you to do the perfect grind in order for this thing to do the best cup of coffee you can do. Because when you raise this lever, all that pressure coming inside the boiler is gonna shoot through here, and if you don't have very well tempered the coffee right here, either it's gonna shoot through the spouts or it's just not gonna extract anything at all. So let's see how it goes. Perfect. Have a little liquid coming out, and as you can see, it's pretty fast coming out of the machine. Need to be a bit more slower, so that means I probably had to tamper a bit harder or use a much finer grind. We were still able to get a little bit of crema, as you can see from the top of the cup. There you go. But it's not enough to be like a perfect shot. It's pretty hard to dial in these machines, to be honest. Let me remove this. There you go, perfect. Yes, I probably need to tamper a bit harder and put a bit more coffee as well. There you go. Now for the steamer, as you can see, machine is steaming pretty good. Excellent pressure. As you can see, there you go. You can see it now properly. Nice steam coming out of the machine. Working excellent. So there you have it, La Pavoni Euro Piccolo with new gaskets and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.